Hi, hello. This is Sureka. Welcome to Food Fast, fantastic food at your fingertips. Today we are going to see a very simple recipe but yet delicious, and that is bottle gourd curry with groundnut paste. So basically we need bottle gourd. I have taken a big bowl of it because bottle gourd, even if you take more, when it gets cooked, it becomes very less. So considering the quantity, I have taken almost 1.5 feet of slim bottle gourd and chopped into pieces, washed and kept it ready. And the other ingredient, the important ingredient, groundnut. So I have taken 3/4 bowl, a small bowl of groundnut, and I have taken jeera, almost a tablespoon of jeera to grind along with groundnut, and 3 big red chilies, dry red chilies. I have taken 3 big red chilies. I am going to grind these 3. Apart from this, we need hing, very little, and salt. You don't need much salt because the curry, even though the quantity is more, it's going to be condensed, and it's going to get reduced, the quantity, so you need not take more salt, or you can taste and add according to your family's taste. And for tempering, I have taken mustard. So quickly let's start the process. We will first add bottle gourd to the kadai. We'll close it with a lid, let it get cooked, and in the meantime we can start grinding the required paste. So groundnut as such will have oil. So cooking it with gingerly oil is really going to add good taste to the dish. So I am going to take 1 spoon of gingerly oil and then another spoon. So 2 spoons of gingerly oil is enough to prepare the dish. So now first I am adding mustard to it. Once the mustard splitters, you can add, you need not add water. Bottle gourd is very good for health because it has almost 1 bottle gourd, 1 bottle gourd, a kg maybe, has almost 96% of water in it. So it is very good to consume, and it is fat free. It helps control your diabetes. If you grind kacha, that is raw bottle gourd, you grind it, filter it, and if you drink it every day, it's going to help you a lot to control your digestive system, and it helps control your constipation as well. So quickly let's close it with a lid and reduce the flame to medium. Now I'm going to add to the mixer jar. Have you seen how much I have taken? the other ingredient, let's take 2 chilies, because I suspect it's going to be spicy, because once I add it to the kadai, it is looking as if it is going to get reduced. The quantity is going to reduce. So I'm going to take one spoon of jeera. It adds to the flavor and also helps in your digestive system. So we are going to grind this. Coarsely. It should not be a fine paste, but it has to be coarse like this. Can you say this? It gives good smell too. Okay, so this is the paste that we are going to add later, but we need to give some time for what we got to get soft. Please do not add extra water, otherwise it will turn completely gravy. You are making a curry for rice or for rotis. So taking some groundnut occasionally is fine. So we are preparing this with groundnut, but you can also prepare the same recipe with sesame seeds, that is til. You can, instead of groundnut, you are just going to add til, and the same quantity you are going to take til. You need to take red chilies, dried red chilies, and then jeera, grind them and add them to the bottle gourd once it becomes soft. So let us add salt, so that after 3 to 4 minutes we can see that the quantity is coming down. It's reducing. So let's add salt. I've taken a very small spoon. Okay, I'm adding salt to it. 1, 2, shouldn't be more. Okay, mix it well. Once you add salt and close it with a lid, you will have very soft bottle gourd. We get tired after 3 to 4 minutes. Let's see, almost 4 minutes. Let's see how, it's completely, the quantity has come down. Can you see this? Good that we haven't added another chili. So, everything is not, by measurement. Sometimes our, family tastes matter. So we need to be mindful of salt and spice. Now it's time to add whatever we have, the powder or paste, groundnut, jeera, red chili, we added all of it. Now this is hing, 2 pinches of hing we are going to add. Mix it well. It's under medium flame. Still it's under medium flame. Add little coriander while it is getting cooked, because the coriander taste should get mixed with the content, so that you have the taste, along with the curry. Garnishing is, more than garnishing, adding it to the dish is more important, because we are going to consume coriander, which is very good for health again. So now your curry, because it is groundnut, let's give it some time. We will just close it with a lid and then make other preparations to serve the dish. Let it, get cooked. So usually we tend to do this, right? So I thought of presenting it along with rice, so that it is very appealing. And usually Andhra Pradesh, people, they prepare with sesame seeds. But even with groundnut, it's going to be very tasty. I just tried and I found it very tasty, and my family also liked it. So I'm also preparing with groundnut now. So almost done. We are coming to the, end of preparing the dish. If you like my dish, the recipe, please, I want you to try, taste, and then click the notification button. Whoever is has already subscribed to my channel, please click the like button and give your comments. And those who are new, please subscribe to my channel. And for this recipe, please hit the bell icon and provide your comments. Your comments are valuable to me. I keep saying this because that inspires me to prepare more dishes which are good for health and also delicious for enjoying with your family. Let me garnish it with some coriander. I'm just garnishing. Here I present bodyguard curry with groundnut. If you like it, please try and then share your comments. I'm going to come up with a very interesting recipe very soon. Until then, it's Sureka from Food Fast signing off. Thank you very much.